Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster.
Hey guys, it's me Maddie and welcome back to this week's video. So, as you guys can tell by the title and the thumbnail, this week's video is cleaning my vanity and showing you my products. So, I know that sounds like a lot and I know this video is super long. And I'm sorry if my voice isn't normal right now. I just got rubber bands in for my braces, so I'm adjusting to them. But anyways, without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay guys, so we're gonna get started. I am right here at my vanity where I have all my makeup, and then I have this shelf of nail polish and then this shelf of perfumes and lotions. So we're just going to get right on and clean, and I'm going to show you guys some different things that I
do. Staring at two different views on your window ledge. Coffee is gone cold, it's like time froze. There you go, wishing, floating down your wishing way.
So now that I have my beauty blenders all washed, and then I have my makeup brushes washed and dried, I'm going to go ahead and pull everything off of here and wipe it down.
Yeah, it's like I'm always causing problems, causing hell. I didn't mean to put you through this, I can tell. We can sweep this under the carpet, yeah. I hope that I can turn back time to make it alright for us. I promise to build a new world for us two, with you in the middle. Lying down beside you, what's going through your head? Silence in the air felt like my soul froze. Am I just overthinking feelings I can tell? This gut feeling I'm trying to get off me, I swear. I hope we find our missing pieces in this chair. Sweep it under the carpet, yeah. I hope that I can turn back time to make it alright
Guys, hey guys, so I'm currently recording on my vlog camera for this video for you guys. I'm going to show you guys everything in my vanity because I just finished cleaning that out, and I'll show you guys this in more greater detail. So yeah. Okay, so this is an overview of my vanity slash dresser. So I have a little stool right here, and then my 3 drawers, and then this is how my makeup looks laying out, and then there. So here I have my Maybelline products. So this is my Maybelline face primer and my foundations, which they're both the same color. I don't know why I have 2 of them. And then as well as my concealer face primer that I got a sample of. So I am keeping this right here just in case if I want to use that. And then I have my L'Oreal True Match. So this is a super blendable powder. I have my Pure Lisi BB cream. I have my Maybelline BB cream and my It Cosmetics CC cream. So over here I have a bunch of mason jars. I have 2 mason jars with a bunch of brushes. So this just contains my small brushes, so like my eyeshadow brushes and my tiny concealer brushes. This one contains my face brushes, so I have basically the rest of my brushes in here. I'm not going to go into great detail about those. Here I have 3 of my eyeshadow palettes. So I have my Too Faced Chocolate Bar, I have my Naked 3 palette, and then I have my Profusion Amber Eyes palette. And then we come over here, and this is actually an index card holder box that I just decided to use. So I have a bunch of individual eyeshadows in here from NYX Cosmetics, along with the balm. I have some small Ofra things in here, as well as some little individual stuff. So I'm not going to go into too much detail, but that's basically what's in there. And then I have an Urban Decay little pod right here. I have Luna eyeshadows, so I have 2 of these. Sorry, the quality isn't the best though. I have a Tarte, and this is the Top Yacht. And here I have a eyebrow pencil, so yep. And then my mascaras are right here. So both of my Too Faced ones. This is my Great Lash by Maybelline. I've had that one for a pretty long time. This one, I can't really read it. This one is Julep. This is the brand Julep. The quality of the quality of this is so bad, guys. I'm so sorry. And this is from Benefit. This is the Bad Girl Bang mascara, Bad Girl. I think it's Bad Girl Bang mascara. And here I have my Profusion Metallic Eye Pigment. So that is just some of my eyeshadow products. Here I'm going to be moving on to my lips. So I just have a bunch of lipsticks, some NYX Lingerie in the big size and the mini ones. I have some Tarte ones. I have the Tarte Gloss and then the Tarte regulars. I have a sugar crayon lipstick. I have a nude stick crayon. I have another little lip thing right here from a friend Canada. I have a Tarte right here. And this I think is this Maybelline? I think this might be Maybelline. I don't exactly remember. I'm sorry if I'm wrong on that product. And then I have the TZ Cosmetics lipstick. So here I have one mirror that's a second mirror, and then I have a compact mirror right here. And then right here I have 3 loose powders. So I have my It Cosmetics, I have my It Cosmetics Bye Pores Press, and then my Tarte. I just have some bracelets and jewelry right here. This is from Bite. It's just 4 mini lipsticks, and it is a Christmas collection, so I don't know if they don't have it anymore out, but I don't know if they'll have it out in any following years. This is Benefit, their Real Big Sexy Lip Kit. And then inside this little 3 drawer cubby, I have some masks and basically any like acne treatment stuff. I have a big thing of BB cream in here. I have some creams. I have moisturizers, some sunscreen. Here's my acne treatment stuff. I have the MAC Prep Plus Prime. So I have that kind of stuff in here, just small little travel size stuff or stuff that I don't use very often is what I try to keep in here. And then that's a little sample. In this one is a bunch of my eye products that I don't use that much at all. So I have a Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. This one is a sample. I have the Shadow Insurance in the regular tube. I have another Shadow Insurance. I think this was their old one, this might be their new packaging. So I have both of those. And then I have this Smashbox Photo Lip Primer. I have an e.l.f. little small thing. I have eyeshadow here that I don't use. I don't know why I still keep it. I think I might try to do a video or a look on that with that palette. This is an eye crayon. This is illuminating concealer. This is the Profusion Metallic Eyeshadow, so I have 2 of those. This one is a travel size of the Too Faced Vitamin Sex. And here is a bunch of eyeliners that I don't use because I do not wear eyeliners. So yeah. Down here is just a bunch of lipsticks, but I have my Sexy Mother puckers. I have some Ofra. I have some Caked. I have some like Ulta brand. I have some NARS in here. I know I have some NYX stuff in here as well as some chapsticks and stuff like that. And then I have the Benefit Benny Tint right there, and then a lip primer. Over here I have my Morphe palettes. I have, this is just the Ultra Beauty Brush and Spray Cleanser, my beauty blenders and more beauty blenders, and my thing that I use to scrub everything down with. These are shadow swatching pans. I have my micellar water, and I have my contour kit back here from Anastasia. Right here is just a bunch of highlighters and blushes. So as you guys can see, the different varieties of products I have. So I have Tarte, Too Faced, Ofra, and then some off brands that you guys might not know, which is Bang Beauty, Lynch Plus Gold, this one. I have this Essence Satin Touch Blush. I don't remember these names because I don't have the box anymore. This is Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. This is the Balm blush. And then I have some bronzers and highlighters. So this is the big thing of my Profusion. And then I have 2 sticks of highlighter. So this is Trust on Beauty. And this one, which is Craft, and I haven't used this in a while. I'm pretty sure this is a NYX Cosmetics highlighter. And then I have a CT London
what is it, bronzer, as well as my Tarte bronzer. And now we go up here into this beautiful section. I'm not going to go into great detail of this, but this is just nail polishes over here. Some of my bigger perfumes. I have some like hair products and nail products and creams and stuff like that. Like hand products and lotions and stuff like that. And then basically kind of the same thing across here. Some perfumes, some hand creams, some lotions, some of that. And then right here I keep my travel ones just in case if I need any of those.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. And if you guys made it to this part of the video, oh my god. Thank you. I know this was super long, and I know, like, I just know it was a lot. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.